In this lecture, I am going to tell you about a very interesting aspect of pointers, that is pointer arithmetic. What is pointer arithmetic? Actually, in pointer arithmetic, we will learn that when we add or subtract from a pointer variable, it's not like an ordinary arithmetic calculation. Actually, when we add into a pointer variable, the size of the data type is added. That means if it is pointed to int and I happen to add 1 to the pointer variable, because size of an int is 4, that is, it takes up 4 bytes in the memory, 4 will be added into the pointer variable. Let's understand it with the help of an example. Suppose I have declared a variable float, and as you know, a float variable takes up 4 bytes in the memory. This is float star pt, which is nothing else but declaration of pointer to float. Here in the third statement, very simply what I am doing is I am putting address of this float variable a into this pointer to float pt. Okay, pt is now containing address of the variable a, and I am printing the address of this float variable a, which is contained in pt. This %u is going to print the address of a that is contained in pt, and value is going to be printed through pointer, that is star pt. As you know, star is value at address operator. So far so good. What will happen is pt will print the address of a and star pt is going to print nothing else but the value of the variable a. Okay. Now I would write plus pt or pt plus plus. Now whatever address pt is containing, 4 will be added into this. So that suppose if the address of a was 101, I'm just taking an example, whatever address the compiler will choose. Suppose the address was 101 into pt. So when I would write plus pt, it will become 105 because 4 is going to be added. Why? Because as per the rule, the size of the data type is added into the pointer variable. So after printing this address, I would see this, the value, new value of pt is 4 bytes more than the value of the previous pt. And what about star pt? Star pt is going to print any unexpected or some sort of which we call garbage value. That means this is some useless garbage value, because we don't know what is contained at this new location that pt is pointing to. So I'm going to execute this program. Okay, see the first line, address of a is being printed. Here you can see the code as well. This is address is equal to, in lieu of this %u, pt is going to be printed, which is address of a, and it had assigned the address 2293432. Okay, and value star pt. So star as is value at address operator, so it means value stored at address this 2293432, which is nothing else but the value of a, which is 100.00. After plus pt, when I am printing the address, that is pt, new value of pt, you can clearly see it is 4 bytes more, 4 number more than the previous address. Why? Because a float variable takes up 4 bytes in the memory. So in other words, I can say that it has added the size of the data type. Data type was float and size of the float is 4. So 2293436. You can clearly see it is 4 numbers more than this. Now value 0.00 means we have not dealt with this address and we have not stored any value on this address. So hence any garbage value or unexpected value will be printed. In this case, it happens to be 0.00. So I will show you the next example, which is the same one, but this time over I have taken this double data type. So pt is equal to %a is going to contain the address of is going to assign the address of a into pt. I would be printing pt and star pt, and after that plus pt. we will see that because size of double happens to be 8, you would see PT would be added 8 numbers, means it will be pointing to 8 bytes ahead. So let me execute the program. So this is your 2293424. This was the address which was assigned to this variable A and which was stored into PT. Okay, the value, right value is being printed. We have got it printed by using star PT, which is value at address operator. Now after plus plus PT, compare this address 2293432. It is clearly 8 bytes, 8 number more than the previous address. Why? Because a double data type takes up 8 bytes. So that means the size of double data type is 8 and size has been added, not literal 1 has been added. So value is again 0.00, or it could have been any garbage value, because we have not stored any value on this address. So this is how your pointer arithmetic takes place.